This is a presentation regarding my paper, Portable Device, Converting Braille and Text Document into Speech using Raspberry Pi. Here for implementation, I used Raspberry Pi. And according to this paper, the methodology is mainly for visually impaired persons. Day by day, there is more accidental things is there, and in between, if any persons lose vision or some decreases in visions, they are not able to get daily information. So in the Springer, this implementation, that is this portable device, would convert their information, whatever be the communication, return it in a document, whether it is in a braille document or it is in a text document. It would convert into speech and the exact information is conveyed. And for your information, this is a Tamil text, and in Tamil text there are 12 vowels and 18 consonants, and combiningly 247 characters are available. And according to Braille, it is not a language, but rather the script, each and every script are concerned with the 6 dots, which we just say as a Braille cell. And for English or Tamil or whatever be, each and everything has a coordination of 2 to the power of 64. That is, each and every line, if we just take a Braille document, in each paper there is about 40 to 43 cells would be there in each line, and according to the paper it would be minimized to 24 to 25 lines according to the content. And in Tamil, there is as per 2 to the power of 6, only 64 cells are available, whereas according to Tamil, there is only 37 characters, that is 37 braille cells are utilized. And going for the motivation, to be the previous, this exact paper as a portable device where the image is converted into the speech. That image can be a braille document or can be a text document. So to be a real-time thing, and each and every image is captured to the Raspberry Pi and it is converted into the speech document. And when converting the braille document using optical braille recognition methodology, I just converted it into the speech, into the character, and that character recognition is converted into the lively speech. And for this implementation, I used Tamil Tirukkural as for the basis. And here the methodology, see, each and everything, the methodology is converted into two things. One is that OBR as converting the braille document as using OBR, optical braille recognition, and two, it is conversion, we just get the text document. And once through the speech synthesization, we can just hear the speech output, and do the same for the text document also. And here we just going for the braille recognition, and as per I said, it is mainly regarding Tamil braille recognition. And here are the pre-processing things. So the methodology is, first we have to capture the braille document, and then we want to go for the image pre-processing, and then comes the braille cell recognition, and there is the braille cell and dot formation. And once after the framing is done, the braille cell is, the decimal braille code is generated, and with the decimal braille code, the letter, that is the braille letter, is recognized and it is transcribed. Once the transcriptor's text is obtained, it is converted into the speech. And to the same for the text, for a Tamil character recognition, here also the text document is captured, and with the image pre-processing and segmentation and future extraction methodology, we just get the Tamil character, and converting into the Unicode mapping, we just get normalized text. Once the text is obtained, it is again converted into the speech accordingly. And going for the OBR, that is the optical braille recognition. The first step is the image capturing, and here is the acquisition or digitization. What is the digitization is, even if the exact image is captured in a normal form or in a tilted form, that is a skewed image also. If, I just shown two examples of that. One is normal and one is skewed. And here you can just note that is Tirukkural, it is only in 2 lines. But here, what is the exact thing is, if in a single line, if the exact cell it is not sufficient, the exact word of the 4th word would comes in the 2nd line, and the 2nd line of the Tirukkural would comes as a 3rd line. So here it is a small similarization of the things. And under the pre-processing of image, as per the pre-processing, once we get the image captured, it is grayscale, it is converted into grayscale and then binarized for getting the, that is sharpening the exact images. And here I have provided the grayscale conversion and brightness adjustment of the images. And once noise removal and binarization of the same images is done. And see here is an example of a skewed image. If we just get a skewed image, what we have to do is we have to identify the angles of the skewness. And once our angles is obtained, we have to just tilt it accordingly. And once tilted, we have to go for the dot framing and then finding the braille recognition process. And through image thresholding and binarization, we just obtain the exact binary image of the braille document. And see, according to the feature extraction, there is a profiling, is the horizontal profiling and vertical profiling. As to done to process for horizontal profiling, see each and every braille documents, the exact measurement and the size and each spacing are standardized. So according to that, we have to do horizontal profiling to draw a horizontal line, and according to vertical profiling, we have to just draw the vertical profiling, so vertical line. So once we just draw this horizontal and vertical, we just obtain the braille cell framing. So after this, we just get the dot deduction, and with this dot deduction, I have just done dot cell framing. So once each and every dot cell framing, here the methodology is formed under dot part deduction. Dot part deduction is using a centroid in the dot. See, actually here a dot is there, and with the centroid of the dot, I just drawn the cell framing. And with the framing, and I have to just convert it into decimal format, whereas here decimal format is in the sense of ones and zeros. So if it is present, we are just going to provide as 1. And if the cell is absent, it comes under 0. So with the ones and zeros and conversion into the braille, binary, I can identify the Tamil text. So here is one of the example. So here it comes for the braille document, and here I just provided a text which it converts into the braille document. And next going for the OCR, that is the optical character recognition, and according to the same image processing technique, image acquisition, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction and classification. Here I just have an examples for 2 things. One is normal image and skewed image for pre-processing. And under pre-processing, here I just done the same noise removal and binarization, and here as it is in a text thing, I have to go for the thinning and skeletonization. And according to segmentation, here there is an 2-level things are there. One is according to the height, and next is converted to the 3rd level. 3rd level is in the sense of some curvations or other things are available. See, according to the matras, we can just group into subgroups and classes, whereas there is a curve in above or curve below or curve in right side or left side. According to the segmentation process, we have to go find it, that is the exact text is recognized. And comes under the feature extraction, using the horizontal line extraction and vertical line extraction. Each and every word width of the word is identified. And with the loop extraction, simulating with the curves, with the loops, that is curves with loops extraction, we can particularly, that is appropriate to the exact character is recognized. And according to classification, there are back propagation classified and SVM. And to this paper, I just considered SVM as we each and everything. I just had a template matching. and then comes under the SVM. And he is the whole prototype of the things, whether it is anything a braille image or a text image, it is accursion that is captured, and once pre-processed, it is passed into the segmentation. And once it is segmented, whether the braille document or text document, it is segmented. The future extraction makes the each and every identification of the character. And once pattern matched with the model, the Tamil character is recognized and it comes under the speech output. And with this methodology, here I just implemented in our Tirukkural. So the Tirukkural is nothing but it has 1330 couplets. Well, each and every couplet has 7 creases, that is 4 in first line and 3 creases in second line. And this is where I have just implemented and tested with a portable device on a braille document, and I just got this simulation segmentation output. And here are the outputs, that is even a skewed image is converted, and this is example of a 3 line. And coming for the OCR, and here I just captured with a Tirukkural book, and I just got it is also a skewed image, and once it is converted, it is comes out to as a speech document.